In this video, you learn how to remove Ecosia search from Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So, to remove Ecosia search as your default search engine inside of Google Chrome, all you have to do is go to the top right and click on the three little dots. Then go to the bottom and click on Settings. Then you can go here to the left and click on Search Engine. And probably right now Ecosia will be selected as your default search engine. So you can just click on Change and change it to the search engine you want. So probably Google. So we'll click on this. Click on Set as Default. Then actually you can remove Ecosia completely from Google Chrome. So to do that is click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Then you'll probably see Ecosia right here. You can click on the three little dots next to it. Click on Delete. And delete again. And right now you've removed Ecosia search completely from Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.